And again, like you're projecting results as a part of this, right? Like, I mean, I think too often we sort of say, okay, like here's the money I need, and it's in the budget discussion is about the money. Like the money is a means into the ends. The more you can talk about and position the outcome, the better off you're going to be. For example, what if you said, okay, here's all the programs we're going to have in place. Here they are broken down by function, and sort of correlate that to results. Say, marketing's goal this year is to generate and impact this much pipeline, and to generate and impact this much renewals or land and expand, and tie the budget to the numbers. So if someone comes and says, okay, like I can't give you that much money, I think, realistically, just realistically from the economics we need our business to be at today, I can only give you X amount. Well, you can change the amount, you can figure out what you're going to cut, but you can also show quantifiably how that will depress results you can generate. Like if you come in and say, oh yeah, you know what, we're going to impact 10 million in pipeline this year, and you cut my budget by 30%, but we're still going to hit 10 million in pipeline. If I'm a CFO, I'm like, how much more can I cut and have you still commit to this number, which is a really dangerous game because you still commit to that number and there's a higher risk of you actually hitting it. Like you may have the tighter budget, you may have lighter expenses, but if you don't hit your number, we're in bigger trouble.